Hi, good morning. Oh, hi. How can I help you? I have a reservation at this hotel, and I would like to check in. Oh, certainly, yes. Can I have your name? My name is Mr. Shark. Ah, hi, Mr. Shark. Good morning. Do you have your passport there? Oh, yes, certainly. Here you go. Okay. Please just wait for me 1 minute. Okay. Yes. Did you travel far to get here? Yes. I just arrived in the country this morning, about 6 a.m. Ah, did you fly all the way here from America? Yes. It was a very long flight, and I am very tired. I cannot sleep very well on aeroplanes. Mm, yes. How long was your journey? Uh, in America, I live on the East Coast, so it took me almost one whole day to fly here. Huh, 1 day? And you didn't sleep on the plane at all? Mm, on the aeroplane, I slept a little bit, maybe only 1 or 2 hours. I am not very comfortable on aeroplanes, and I am not a very confident flyer. Ah, have you visited this country before? No, this is my first time, and I am very excited to be here. I have heard many things about this country. I have heard about beautiful scenery and about wonderful food, and I have heard all the people are very friendly. Ah, yes, thank you. I think you will enjoy. Many people here are very friendly, and we do have delicious food. Ah, thanks. Okay, here you go. Here's your passport and your room key. Welcome to our country, and I hope you enjoy your stay. Ah, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.